Jumbo. Konnichiwa. Hello. Magandang hapon. Wadila wa mana baba. Okay, it's me, Masunga John, this evening, and this evening I'm going to make Ebi Chili. Ebi Chili is a Japanese food, which means it's just shrimp in chili sauce. So I'm going to show you how to make it tonight. 今日はエビチリの作り方を見せます。So here are the ingredients. Long onion and onions, garlic and ginger, salt, ketchup, vinegar, oil, chicken stock or gara soup, chicken stock, tobanjan, it's chili bean sauce, black pepper, honey, potato starch or katakuriko in Japanese, and we will start making ebi chili. Okay, the first thing is to add some salt. Just add some salt. After that, add some starch, potato starch or katakuriko. Add some. So mix it and then wash it up. This is just to remove the smell of fish. Okay, so salt and cornstarch, and then wash it up. Wash it and then rinse it. Dry it. Put in a strainer to dry it. So it's dry. After that, add some oil. Some little oil. Some salt. And next, some black pepper. And some potato starch or katakuriko. Okay, some starch, katakuriko, and then mix it. Okay, we put aside, and now let's start making the sauce. Okay, in the bowl, we're gonna add the chili bean sauce, tobanjan. Okay, 1 or 2 spoons, it depends on how you want it. Add some ketchup. Then add some black pepper. Then some honey. Just a spoon of honey. Make sure it's not that sweet. And the garlic and ginger. Then mix them all together. And some little vinegar or alcohol if you have. Mix them all together. Now the sauce is ready. So the next step is to fry the shrimp. Add some oil into the frying pan. Okay, then add the shrimp. Start frying the shrimp. Okay, turn the shrimp, turn it. Now it looks good, okay? Remove the shrimp and put it aside first. Then in the same oil, add the sauce, the chili sauce, and fry it. And then add the chicken stock. Then mix it. While you're waiting for it to cook, to fry, prepare the potato starch. Add some water in the potato starch as a last step. Mix the potato starch. And put it aside. Then add the shrimp. Put the shrimp up. add the long green onions and the onions. And last, add the potato starch. Now the ebi chili is done. It's time to taste. Here is the ebi chili. It's very, very yummy. とっても美味しいです。It's Masunga John. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share my videos. Goodbye and see you in my next video.